sheet function returns the sheet number of the referenced sheet. This function has only one argument. In value argument, type the name of a sheet that you want the sheet number. In value box, type the name of this sheet NA function. Type NA function. Click OK. Function returns number 15 in this cell. Because this sheet is in number 15 in a workbook. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click Sheet function. In value box, select this sheet. Click OK. Function returns NA error value. Because the sheet name is entered in a value box is not valid. Function does not recognize the sheet number in this workbook. As a result, function returns NA error value in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click Sheet function. In value box, select this sheet. Then click this cell reference. Now function will return the number of sheet. Because the sheet name entered in value box is valid. Click OK. This time function recognizes the sheet name and returns number 13. Because I have selected cell reference of that sheet within a sheet name. Now active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click Sheet function. This time leave blank this box. Click OK. If you leave blank the value box, function returns the sheet number of current sheet that contains the function.